What is up, guys? This is your boy. Hello. Thing. Give me free V-Bucks. Blocks. Exclamation point. Today, I found a real hack for V-Buck. No, just kidding. It's Roblox. Oh, wait. The content was deleted. I got this, guys. My computer broken? Roblox is broken. Guys, I'm hacking into the Roblox servers. Oh my god, guys. It worked. I played it overnight, guys. I left it on overnight. I can go buy anything I want. Alright, let me go to catalog. Alright, guys. Let me get my favorite accessory. Oh, I think I spelled that wrong, guys. I spelled it wrong again. There we go. Alright, so let's buy the most expensive one. That one, guys. Alright. No! Where did all my Robux go? Guys, I got scammed! This is not fair. But, as you guys can see, there's clearly the Robux. Pay for it. Guys, I got scammed. Alright, guys, as you can see, I have to... Wait a second. I think my Roblox account got hacked, guys. He stole all my Robux. It says, you got scammed. Wait, does that mean I got scammed? I think I got scammed, guys. I don't know, guys. Let me go into the free Roblox generator, see if I can do it again. Is that Luigi? Is that Luigi? Alright, Luigi. Alright, guys, we're going into the Roblox generator. Waiting for available. Guys, I think my brother might be autistic, guys. It's so hard. I died. And I died again. And I died. Freak this game, man.